Hi, I'm Kebron, and today I'm bringing you another video on artificial intelligence. Did you know you can create a full 3D model with textures and everything just by typing a simple phrase and without paying a cent? Today I'll show you Meshi AI, a tool that's revolutionizing how 3D models are created for video games, 3D printing, product design, and much more. I'm going to show you exactly how it works and what you can do for free with the free account. Stay until the end because there are a couple of tricks to get more out of the free credits. While I'm here explaining everything and how Meshi works, you'll be seeing how I've been playing around with what this artificial intelligence is, how I've even made a 3D model of myself. I've done many things, so you'll be seeing it. Meshi is an AI 3D model generator that transforms text and images into production-ready 3D models in seconds with no prior experience needed. Basically, instead of spending hours modeling in Blender or ZBrush, you type what you want or upload a photo, and the AI generates the 3D mesh, the texture, and can even animate it. Who uses it? Studios like Nexon, Square Enix, or Supercell use it for video game production, and there are also film and VFX teams, product design, 3D printing, and education. The good thing here is that we can do it for free without paying. And it's quite a few things. This is the part that interests us most. Meshi has a real free plan, no credit card required, and not just a 7-day trial. This is what it includes: 100 free credits every month, which automatically renew on the 1st at exactly 12 midnight UTC. Access to text to 3D and image to 3D. And to texturing, generation with free retry, generating prompts at the same time without spending more credits. Exporting in formats like FBX, OBJ, GLB, or STL. You can sell the models you generate with the free account, of course. Now, the important detail in the fine print. On the free plan, what you generate is licensed under Creative Commons CC BY 4.0, which allows commercial use as long as you credit Meshi. Here, well, that's how you sell the model. You just have to put something like model created with Meshi AI in the description. And the generation queue is slower than in the paid plans because users have priority. Premium, those who pay, of course. Another trick to get extra free credits is that you can earn them by posting your creations in the Meshi community, sharing them on their Discord, or inviting friends. So if you use up your 100 credits a month, there are ways to get more for free. With 100 credits a month, you can easily generate several complete models, texture included to learn the tool, make props for a personal project, prototypes for 3D prints, or just to have fun creating. If this channel is educational or you basically want to make content designed with artificial intelligence, Meshi is a perfect tool to explain several key concepts, all using just a free account. We're talking about multimodal condition generation, how an AI can take text or an image as input and produce an object in a completely different domain, 3D, not just another image or text. Diffusion applied to 3D geometry in simple terms. The AI doesn't draw the model, but rather it refines a point cloud or mesh step by step until it looks like what you described. You can set it up live, watching how the model forms in the viewer. The concept of prompt engineering in 3D with Meshi's prompt helper artificial intelligence. You can show how an AI can take a vague idea, a robot, and turn it into a detailed prompt, showing the difference in results between a poor prompt and a well-written one. Do you want automation of traditionally manual tasks? Compare how long it takes a human to model and texture an object by hand, hours or days, versus how long the AI takes, minutes. A very visual way to explain the impact of generative artificial intelligence on creative workflows. And automatic rigging with AI is a perfect example of talking about how AI models can understand the topology of a body, where the joints go, for example, without a human defining it manually. You can record all that and show it on screen without spending €1, just with the free account. So, Meshi AI lets you go from a text idea or an image to a complete 3D model, texturing and even animating in minutes. With the free account, you have 100 credits a month enough to experiment, learn, and even sell your creations with attribution. If you want speed, queue priority, and an exclusive license, there are the paid plans starting from $20 a month. But to start and learn, the free plan is plenty. I'll leave the link in the description. If this helped, like and subscribe, and tell me what you'd like me to try with Meshi in the next video. See you in the next one. As you know, I'm Kibron, and I'm at your service.